Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to cut and sew this lovely cycle top. It is a detailed, total beginner friendly tutorial, so if you are interested, keep on watching and let's get started. For this tutorial I'll be using an African print fabric. I have about 1.5 yards here. To draft this top, I'll be folding the fabric in a way a 360-degree flare is folded. So the first thing is to fold the fabric into 2 equal parts, then fold into 2 again. So I'm done folding. Next is to mark out the top length. The top length I'm working with is 20 inches. I'll be adding 2 inches for sewing allowance. So I'll be marking 22 inches all through. I'll be marking 22 inches like you see me doing in the video. Then I will connect it to bring out the circular shape. This is it after connecting it. You can see the circular shape already. Then I will cut it out this way. So this is it after cutting it out. This is the down part. This will be the sides of the top, while this will be the center of the top. Next is to cut out the neck depth. The neck depth I'm working with is 5 inches. So I will be marking 5 inches round, the way I marked the top. Then connect it. I'm done with this. This is how it looks. After marking it out, I will mark out the armhole, which is 8 inches. So I will be marking 8 inches at the sides from the top downward. Next is to mark the neck width. For the neck width, I will be going in by 4 inches. Then connect from the 4 inches point to the armhole like so. This is it after connecting it. So these are the sides. This is the neckline and this is the armhole. Then I will cut it out. So this is it after cutting it out. I will open up the side. I will notch it from where the armhole started. So I'm done. This is how it looks. This is the neckline, and this is the place I notched as the start of the armhole. You can see the cycle. It's looking nice but not looking like a top just yet. I am using my chalk to mark the places I notched, not to get confused while sewing. This is the armhole. This is the neckline. Next, I will be measuring the neckline. I have 9 inches here. I'll be cutting straps to tape the neckline. When cutting the straps, I will cut it longer than 9 inches measured on the neckline. The strap I will be cutting will be 2 inches wide, and I will be cutting 2 straps, one for the front neckline and one for the back neckline. These are the straps. I will be taking the straps to the ironing table to iron it in a bias form like this. This is it after ironing it. So I folded it into 2 first and I folded it again. So I will be using this to tape the neck. From this place I notched. From this place I notched to the other place is the neckline, while here is the armhole. So I will take the straps to tape the neckline from the first notch to the other side. So I'm done taping the neckline. This is how it looks after taping it. This is the front and this is the back. Next is to tape the armhole and create the sleeve of the cycle top. So to do that, I will be taking my bias strap just the way I used it for the neckline. This is it, but this time around it's longer. I have about 30 inches here. I will be using it to tape the armhole and stop here. I will be taking it to the sewing machine to sew it. I will be doing that for both sides. So guys, I'm done with the taping of the armholes for one part of the top. This is it. This is how it looks. You can see this is the armhole and this is the neckline. And this is the other armhole. Remember, while we were cutting the top, we minus 5 inches. To get the sleeve of this top, I will be measuring the 5 inches back. This is it, 5 inches. So for the front and back will be 10 inches. This is it here, 10 inches. I'm going to mark it out. I will be doing the same to the other side. This will serve as the sleeve. So I will be taking the other part of the top. From this 10 inches marked, I will pin it to the armhole of this other part to tape the armhole too. As you can see it, I will start taping it from the 10 inches marked. I will pin it. I will do the same to the other armhole. This is how it's going to look. I will be taking it to the sewing machine to tape the armhole. I'm done taping it. This is how it looks. This is the armhole. This is the sleeve. You can see the sleeve from here to here 10 inches. From here to here 10 inches. This is the neckline. Since I've confirmed the length, I'll be cutting out the excess fabric. The next thing to do now is to join the sides of the top. I will be leaving 1 inch seam allowance while sewing. I'll be joining it on both sides. So guys, I'm done with the joining of the sides. The next and last thing I'll be doing now is to fold the down of the cycle top. I will fold in 1/2 inch first, then fold again. Then I will take it to the sewing machine to fold it round. This is the final look of the cycle top. You can see how lovely it looks. So we have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.